It's an animal you can't help but look up to. But what do we really know about giraffes? Somehow, these gentle giants have been overlooked. For kangaroos, the greatest challenges come from within their own society. For a male, there's only really one key lesson to learn in his life. To get to the top, he must become a fighter. But this mantis has a surprising line in self-defense. Kung Fu, praying mantis style. This territory is ruled by one strong and determined leader. An alpha male known as
Jung-ho.
His rule gets him the best of everything. Our story begins with a tantalizing glimpse of something very special. Now it's time for his grand performance. It's truly a wondrous sight. He waves his wing like a matador's cape. This is certainly eye-catching, but it seems he needs to do more. And this is just about as fast as this extraordinary creature can move. Time to begin the show. It's an oddly mesmerizing display. Sometimes, whatever you do, things just don't work out.